Enterprise Cloud ERP continues to evolve rapidly across global markets. Recently, Netsense attended Acumatica Elevate Malaysia and Singapore 2026, held in Kuala Lumpur on the 9th of June 2026. The event took place at Pullman Kuala Lumpur City Centre Hotel and Residences, bringing together finance, operations, and business leaders for a focused 5-hour in-person experience. The discussion centered on how organizations are modernizing the way they manage growth, visibility, and overall business performance through cloud ERP. Participants explored what makes Acumatica one of the fastest-growing cloud ERP vendors globally, alongside real-world stories from customers and partners. The event also featured live product demonstrations, giving attendees direct insight into how the platform supports modern business operations. Beyond the technology itself, the event created opportunities for meaningful connections, bringing together peers and industry professionals in a collaborative environment. A key focus was also placed on ecosystem innovation, including solutions such as TrailDeed, which supports automation of AP document management and strengthens fraud protection in vendor payment processes. For Netsense Business Solutions, this experience reinforces our focus on helping organizations adopt cloud ERP systems that enhance operational efficiency, visibility, and control. ERP is no longer just a system of record. It is becoming a platform for business performance, growth, and decision-making in real time.